In today's video, you'll learn how to customize or restore the Outlook ribbon. This lets you tailor the ribbon to match your workflow and reset it to the default layout if you ever want a clean slate. The ribbon is the row of tabs and buttons across the top of Outlook, like Home, Send/Receive, and View. To customize, right-click any empty space on the ribbon and choose Customize the ribbon. The customization window opens, showing your current ribbon structure on the right and available commands on the left. To create your own section, add a new tab or group. Click New Tab to make a full tab, or New Group to add a custom section inside an existing tab. Select your new tab or group, then choose Commands from the left pane. You can browse popular commands for common actions or switch to all commands to see everything. Highlight a command and click Add to place it in your custom group. Explore categories if you don't see the command immediately. You can rearrange items using Move Up or Move Down arrows on the right to prioritize your most used commands. Rename custom tabs or groups by selecting them and clicking Rename. You can also assign an icon to a custom group for easier recognition. Default tabs and commands cannot be renamed or changed. When done, click OK to save and apply changes. To restore the ribbon, right-click it and select Customize the ribbon. Click Reset in the bottom right corner. Reset All Customizations removes all changes to the ribbon and Quick Access toolbar. Reset Only Selected Ribbon tab reverts just the highlighted tab, keeping other customizations. It's helpful to screenshot your setup before resetting so you can rebuild it later. Choose the reset option you prefer, and the ribbon returns to its original state. With these steps, you can organize Outlook's ribbon to fit your workflow and restore it anytime for a fresh start.